we've got Ankita who would like to share her experience with us, who's recently completed diploma in building and construction.
Yeah. So I'd like to say BCTA has really helped me evolve a lot. Where, like, from where I come and where I am now, feel I'm at a much better place. So I come from an architectural background where I would just do the designing part and hand over the changes in the design and give it to the clients. And after that, I had no idea how the construction happens whatsoever. So initially, we had Shabana, where Shabana tutor, who taught us about basic construction, how it happens. So she told us about the designing part, which I was quite competent, and I thought maybe, oh, so this is maybe the same thing, and But eventually, as we gradually had different tutor, we had Najibi. He would explain us with his practical knowledge of how the things are being done and how when he was at his point, how would he cater to a situation in the construction, what he would do, that made us think how can we tackle to a situation when such situations happens on a site, on a construction site where we have a lot of tradies overlapping, and also this sort of gave us a better understanding in thinking apart from the syllabus that we had of how to really mitigate that particular risk and how to evaluate those sort of scenarios. So starting from pre-construction, how we set up the site, to the post-construction, how we have the handover, and in between the managing risk, health, safety, and managing the environmental aspect of the site construction. It is immense, and this is what I feel like, doing the designing part and understanding the whole of the part, and how the builders, how much they are liable if even if small things are not taken into consideration. So I feel as a builder, it is a big responsibility. You have a lot of responsibility and a major responsibility to first the client, the society, the environment, and the local, basically the environment. I mean, that's the most important, I would feel. And so yeah, it was really good experience that I had. And thank you, BCTA. Thank you so much.
Congratulations once
Thank
again.
you so much.
Thank you.